Now what you have to do is go into Chrome, type in your default router address, and sign in with your username and password. By default it will be admin and admin unless you have changed it. Login. Then go ahead in wireless statistics. Now one thing you have to notice that your device should be connected when you are doing this. Now I've added MAC filtering for this device. So I'm gonna copy this MAC address, then go in MAC filtering. And in MAC filtering, I'm gonna go ahead and add new. Then I'm gonna paste my MAC address. Then I'm gonna type in description to label that device. Okay. Then leave the status on enabled and save. After doing this, you should take this deny the session that not specified by any enable entries in the list to access, and then enable it. After this is enabled, no other devices mentioned other than this will not be able to connect to your router. So that's all.